on behalf of our executive council of Guta, which decided on the fly online that we have to do something about it. There was no need to come together physically to have a meeting, but we felt that we have to show our strength. We have to show that all of us are united. We can fight any oppression, any injustice, and teachers can show the way to others. And I think this is the time students also have to take note of this and cooperate with us. Whatever is your grievances, I think there are ways to solve it, and whether it is right or wrong, it will be decided by whatever, say, committees or commissions. But let us take this resolve that henceforth we will not tolerate this type of attack, this type of behavior from either student or from outsiders or from anybody. And that's why until we get an assurance that there has been some action in this regard, we will not go ahead in cooperating, in conducting a poll at various schools or in counting and all other aspects. So I think administration has to talk to us and give us assurance on this. We have already informed them several times. Professor Anthony, I think, has sent the mail which he has sent, has made it clear that it is around fourth time he is complaining. And if you read the text, that's why I have purposely sent it to all of you. If you read that text, you can see the stress and anxiety which is there in the mind of all these teachers who are involved. So I request some of you also to speak, to say a few words on this occasion, and then by the time we can also sign this memorandum quickly and we will submit it to the authorities. And you can suggest if you want any other additional course of action which we need to take. We are there with you, and we are always there for the unity of teachers.
Everything. I have given my 4 complaints.
You can just talk about the mail that you have.
Yeah. I would only say that the first time this student came and spat in front of me. This is the. I've never heard and seen something like this.
चुकलो होता ताजेर. माझ्या
In
कुशीक
front of
पडली.
me. Yeah. So that was one thing which was not good. Not expected of any student. And other things are there. Another time he came and threatened me in my room while my officers were with me.
एकदा ताची गाडी हाडयले त्यांनी.
And then he
गाडयेन
blocked
बसवा.
me here from entering my car when I was called by the vice chancellor. That's much.
पुलीस कंप्लेंट लॉज जाला न्हू तेचेर.
पुलीस कंप्लेंट लॉज जाला अशें
will
आमकां सांगता.
file an
आतां हांवें
FIR.
पळयला, पण अजून FIR कॉपी आमचे कडेन ना. सो आमी एक्चुअली मागल्या FIR कॉपी ऑल्सो, आनी ताजे फुडें कितें जालें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन. सो अजून तेजें आमकां कांयच कळूं ना. बट तो काल हांगा पुलीस आशिल्ले पळय जेन्ना हे इन्सिडंट जालो, तेन्नाय तांणी ताजेर कांयच एक्शन घेवना. स्टाफान सांगतच मागीर ताका भायर व्हेला. हय, ताचें नांव आमी घातलें न्ही, शिशीर परब. ही इज अ स्टुडंट अशें आमी आयकलां. सो तो पयलीं मॅथ्सान शिकतालो, आतां दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटान आसा. आनी ताजे बरोबर आनी 2 जाण भुरगे भायले येतात. ते चडशे आतां भितर येना बिकॉज आतां थोडे रेस्ट्रिक्शन आसा. पूण एक पार्सेकर म्हणून एक कोण स्टुडंट आनी एक आहुजा म्हणून अशे 2 स्टुडंट हू आर नॉट स्टुडंट. दीज आर 2 पर्सन्स हे जे येतात ते दे आर नॉट स्टुडंट ऑन द कॅम्पस अँड वी डोंट नो वेदर दे आर स्टुडंट आउटसायड. बट आमी अशें आयकलां की ते खंय तरी स्टुडंट ऑर्गनायजेशन आसा. सो स्टुडंट ऑर्गनायजेशन हांगा पयलीं अशे खूब इश्यूज जाल्या. फाटीं एका स्टुडंट ऑर्गनायजेशन हांगा सगळ्या पोस्टर मारलेले रातोरात. तेन्ना आमी कंप्लेन केल्ली, पूण ताजेर फुडें कांय एक्शन जावना. एक्चुअली आमी रेकमेंड केलें FIR जावपाचो म्हणून, पूण तेन्नाय जावना. सो अशें जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना आनीक तांकां प्रोत्साहन मेळटा. सो वी हॅव टू टेक एक्शन ऑन दीस टेंडन्सीज पयलीं.
तर एक्शन कित्याक जायना अशें दिसता तुमकां?
एक्शन खूब गोश्टींनी युनिवर्सिटीन एक्शन जाता, थोड्या गोश्टींनी जायना.
पूण हो सिरियस इशू न्हू सर.
हय, सो सिरियस इशू होच आमी सांगला की हो सिरियस इशू आसा. सो वेन एवर समथींग इज रिलेटेड टू टिचर्स सिरियसली घेवपा जाय म्हणून. पूण आजून तें जावना आनी आमी आमचो इशू लावन धरला. आतां आज जर तुमी पळयलें, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टिचर्स ऑल ऑफ देम आर हियर आनी ऑल ऑफ देम हॅव एक्सप्रेस सॉलिडेरिटी. सो हे सेंटिमेंट सगळ्यांक कळपाक जाय आनी ताजेर कितें एक्शन जावपाक जाय. आतां आमी फाटीं सुद्दां, म्हणजे हांव अशें म्हणपाक सोदिना, पूण फाटलें इलेक्शन जें जालें, पोस्टपोन जालें, ताजेरूय कितें तरी प्रेशर आयलो अशें आमी आयकल्लें. आतां तें परत डिक्लेअर जालां. सो हातूंत कितें तरी फेरफार जाता आनी खंय तरी कोण एखाद वेळ प्रेशर हाडटा. वी डोंट नो, वी हॅव टू फायंड आउट. प्रेसानूय फायंड आउट करचें.
But have you reached out to the VC regarding this? What
वी
he has
ऑलरेडी
to, what he
येस,
has
आमी ज्या वेळार फाटलो इन्सिडंट जालो, प्रेसान आयलो, आमकां प्रेसान आयलो तेन्ना कळ्ळें. ताणें सुद्दां आमकां सांगून आशिल्लें. इट वॉज हीज इंटरनल मॅटर अशें. पूण जेन्ना प्रेसान आयलें आनी वेन वी केम टू नो दॅट इज अ थ्रेट टू टिचर्स लायफ, वी सेंड अ email immediately. Sent an email, and same day evening I met Vice Chancellor. वायस चॅन्सलर म्हाका जाल्यार आमी ताका FIR बी करता म्हणून ते जावन परत 3 दिसांनी आमी रजिस्ट्राराक मेळ्ळे फूल आमची एग्जिक्युटीव कमिटी ऑफ गुटा पयर 6 तारखेक 6 सप्टेंबर तेन्नाय सांगलें FIR जाला ताका इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जाला ताका स्कोल्डिंग केला ताका वॉर्निंग दिल्या सो वी हॅड थॉट दॅट दीस इशू हॅज डायड डावन पूण हे परत शेनवाराक स्क्रुटिनी ऑफ एप्लिकेशन जाली ऑफ द सेकंड राउंड ऑफ आतां परत रिकॉल्ड इलेक्शना तेन्ना परत हें जाला 3 days back last week and we discussed this as one of the high priority issue apart from the overall security and also the security of the teachers. So that time also registrar told us that he has already scolded that person. There's a FIR filed, but we have not seen it, and whether there's any investigation, probably Dr. Anthony also might be knowing about it. But that the very fact that the same student is coming again and again, obstructing with no fear, shows that there is somebody behind it. It is not a handiwork of one person. There is also serious note has been taken that there are 2 or more people who are moving with him who are not from the campus, and they are always seen supporting this person. Primary duty of the student is to be in the classroom, is to learn, but I don't know in this case what is the status of the student, whether is a candidate, we don't know. But whatever it is, we protest this type of behavior. We advise our student. We have been actually, Guta has been trying to bring student community with us to fulfill lot of demands. And we are always there. Student is our priority. We are not against any particular student. But when some untoward incidents occur and the students are responsible, whatever is the disciplinary action has to be taken on this student and it has to be visible. We don't want to see this person on campus till these elections are over. We have already asked for this. So whatever is the inquiry, you can inquire. He might be also, he may not be actually involved in it. We don't know. We can give a benefit of the doubt. But at present, he is obstructing. He is not allowing them to work. So I think he has to be debarred from the campus at least during the election. Inquiry has to be conducted on him by university. There are disciplinary forums and all those things. So we demand that this has to be done. Police inquiry has to be done, and police inquiry also has to be done in such a manner that there is a deterrent on this. There is an election. I don't know when is 14. On 14 there is an election. So anything can happen even on that day. So as I said, it is not only 1 or 2 persons. It is a group of people who might be interested, who might be involved in this. So we have to teach them a lesson. We are there to teach, but I think in this case, how to behave, how to uphold the democratic rights, that also I think we have to teach. We are also doing this in a peaceful manner, but that doesn't mean that we will bow down and we will not allow any of our teacher to be threatened, to be like say attacked or abused in this manner, because we uphold our dignity. We also respect the sentiments of student community. And I think majority of the students who are on the campus also do not like or will not be part of this type of behavior, and we are proud of these students. But just because of 1 or 2 students, the image of university is going down, and there are some groups, there are some maybe political organizations, maybe some people in power might be behind this, and because of that there are no actions. We have to say it because we are watching with open eyes for so many days. Nothing is happening, and this boy is coming again and again obstructing. So I think that has to be stopped. Otherwise, as we have warned, we are not going to cooperate in this current election from today onwards. All the work which is being done by teachers have to be stopped. We appeal all the teachers. You can tell me whether you are ready for this or no. And I think until this is resolved and effective action and solution is found on that, and we are satisfied as a group, we should not go ahead with cooperating with this election, because life of a teacher, life of our staff, non-teaching staff is at stake, and we don't want to risk for such type of nonsensical behavior. So I hope you all are, like say, with me on this matter. We are teachers, we have come. It is unfortunate that we are coming here together for such a event to be discussed, but I think there was no other option. We had to take this drastic action, and we are not against university, we are not against anybody, but we are against this tendency of such type of behavior of the tendency where this is being protected. I was told just now that FIR again is being lodged, but I don't know what has stopped university in doing this action promptly. I think such type of things we cannot wait for working days. The thing has happened on Saturday. Immediately there should have been action. There were police here. Lot of these incidents have happened in front of the police. So I think somewhere we need to introspect, we need to think when we are doing all our duties, we are doing it with all full sense of duty. And I think आता तुम्ही जाणात कॅम्पसातली इलेक्शन हातून खंय तरी भायल्यो शक्ती कार्यरत असतात आणि आमी तांकां डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व करिनात पूण तांकां कोण तरी गायड करता. खूब जाणां खूब भुरगे आमचे इलेक्शन सुद्दां लडोवपाक रेडी नासता, तांकां ते हाडून उबे करता आणि मागीर दे बिकम पार्ट ऑफ द गेम. सो पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर आसूंक शकता. विदाउट दॅट एक भुरगो इतकी मस्ती करपाक शकना. दॅट्स वॉट वी फील.
डिमांड असते CCTV.
हय, आमी ते सेक्युरिटीचे सगळे डिमांड फाटीं घातलेले. कित्याक ह्यो ज्यो केसी जातात, थेफ्ट जाला हांगा, एक्चुअली प्रोफेसर एंथनीचोच लॅपटॉप ताच्या रुमांतल्यान दिसा उजवाडे एकदां चोरून व्हेला. CCTV कॅमेराचेर कॅप्चर जावन सुद्दां कांय एक्शन. सो हांगा CCTV आसात पूण कमी आसा. CCTV मॅनेज कोण करिनात. कोण ताजेर एक्शन घेवं जाय ती ना. कंपाऊंड तुम्ही पळयला ओपन रस्तो आसा पळय तो ओपन आसा आणि थंयच्यान तुका कोणीय भितर सरपाक शकता, कोणीय भायर सरपाक शकता. रातच्या वेळार इवन टिचर्स आनी बाकीच्या लोकांक हांगा भोंवपाक खूब भिरांत दिसता. कित्याक हांगा खूब इन्सिडंट अशे जाल्यात, दमदाटी जाल्या, स्पेशली महिला वर्गाचेर अशे अटेम्प्ट जाल्यात. सो ताका लागून सेक्युरिटी इज एक्चुली आमचो फर्स्ट पॉयंट. सो तो आमी पयलीं डिस्कस केल्लो आणि हो सेक्युरिटी ऑफ टिचर्स. ट्रान्सपोर्ट सिस्टम सारकी ना, इंटरनल ना, अशें आसा.
सर तुमच्या कॅम्पसान कोणी एंट्री मारता पूण हांगाचे CCTV सगळे वर्किंग कंडिशनान आहा अशें दिसता तुमकां?
आता आमी आयकलां कितें चलतात थोडे. एक्चुली कंट्रोल रूम आसा थंय कोण तरी बसून ते मॅनेज करपाक आनी ताजेर एक्शन घेवपाक. सो तें जायना. सो आमी हो डिमांड पयलीं डिस्कस केला. स्टाफ कमी आसात अशें उत्तर आमकां आयलां सेक्युरिटी स्टाफ. सो बिकॉज सेक्युरिटी इज प्रायोरिटी आनी ती जावपाक जाय. की हांगा रातचे लॅब्स आमचे ओपन आसतात, भुरगे खूब काम करतात. रातचे एकटे वयतना कितें जावपाक शकता. रिसर्च वर्क चालू आसता. लॅब्स आमच्यो केमिस्ट्री बी तश्योच ओपन दवरच्यो पडटा, रातभर चालू आसता एक्सपेरिमेंट आनी भुरगे केन्नाय वचपाक शकता. सो सेक्युरिटी ही जायीच ह्या कॅम्पसाक.
सर तो लॅपटॉपाचो थॅफ्ट जाला पळय तो खंयच्या दिसा जाला?
कितें
लॅपटॉप थॅफ्ट
लॅपटॉप करून जालो लास्ट इयर आनी आमी फोटो सुद्दां पळयला तो लॅपटॉप घेवन. तो पुलीस केस जाली, पुलिसांनी कांयच इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून. आतां ह्यावूय केसीन पुलीस कांयच इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करता, अजून कांयच जावना. सो आमी पुलिसांक म्हणजे SP नॉर्थाकूय आमी मेमोरंडम आतां दितले. लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन ही जर कॅम्पसानूय ना जाल्यार आज न्ही थोड्या दिसांनी ह्या कॅम्पसाचो JNU कॅम्पस जातलो अशें म्हाका दिसता. ह्याच हितून चल्लां अशें दिसता म्हाका. जशें भायल्यो शक्ती येवन JNUन प्रॉब्लेम जाले तशेंच हांगा जातलें.
तर तुमचो स्ट्रॉंगली मेसेज स्टुडंट्सांक कितें आसतलो की ते तेंच्या वांगडा बी इनवॉल्वमेंट मातशें दाखयता?
पळय आमी खंयच्या स्टुडंटाक आमी वायट म्हणना. सगळे आमची सदांच प्रायोरिटी स्टुडंट आनी स्टुडंटाक लागूनच आमी हांगा आसात. पूण जेन्ना हे असले एलिमेंट्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ अदर फोर्सीस हांगा येवन मिसबिहेव करता टिचरा कडेन, एक स्टुडंट टिचर रिलेशन आसा, हें आसा, ताजोय म्हाका दिसता एक ताजेर एफेक्ट जाता आनी हे सगळें वातावरण बिगडटा. सो स्टुडंट्स जाणात, प्रत्येक स्टुडंट आमकां टिचरांक वळखता एंड वी हॅव हेल्प देम इन ऑल सिच्युएशन्स. आनी वॉट एवर इज डेमोक्रेटीक, वॉट एवर इज लिगल, आमी सगळे कायद्यान करता. कितेंय जाता ती कोणाचेरय कंप्लेन आसूं, कितेंय आसूं.
थँक्यू.